In this video, I'm going to show you how you can watch Anniversary Academy tutorials while you're in Quill. To use this trick, you have to be on Windows 10 and you have to have the latest version of the Oculus software. The first step is to hit the Oculus Home button on your right controller. From there, hit the virtual desktop icon at the bottom right of the dash. Choose your monitor, and then it will open up your desktop. You can navigate the desktop with the keyboard at the bottom and use your pointer as a mouse. Navigate to either the Anniversary Academy YouTube channel or website and pick a video that you want to watch, and play them while in VR. You can use the grab button to grab the windows and move them around, and the analog stick to change the size. Then all you have to do is hit the pin button at the bottom right corner to pin it to your VR experience. Now, when you close the dash with the home button, it'll remain in the scene while you're working in Quill. To pause the video, simply hit the home button again and click on the video. You can also use this trick to view video reference and control your music playlist from VR. Keep in mind that this video will float in front of everything else in Quill, so don't put it anywhere where it will block your view.